Hey everyone, John from the Scorpio team. Just wanted to show you how easy it is to cook a pizza on the Scorpio. Got a pizza here loaded up on our Scorpio Pizza Peel. The oven is at temp, and we are gonna put it on in. Go. The oven is going. See the pizza stone rotating just a little over 2 RPMs. I'm gonna launch this right in. Like that. Here we go, we're gonna close the door. Just watch this cook here. It'll be done inside of 90 seconds. Certainly see the dough come up. Looking fantastic. Starting to see some char right on the edge of the crust. Nearly there. All right, I'm gonna pull it. Here we go. Ooh, baby. Perfect pizza, right from the Scorpio. All right, everybody,